assigned to a small group during a meeting. Here's how to join a breakout room in Zoom. Super quick and easy. During a Zoom meeting, the host may assign you to a breakout room. Once it's ready, you'll see a pop-up that says Join Breakout Room. Click Join and Zoom will automatically move you into your smaller group. If the host lets you choose a room, you'll see a Breakout Rooms button on your toolbar. Click it to view the list of open rooms. Then hover over the one you want and click Join. Inside a breakout room, you can use your mic, camera and chat just like in the main session. Need help? Click Ask for Help and the host will get notified. Breakout rooms equals focused collaboration. Like this video if you're ready to shine in your next team huddle. Subscribe for more cool tips like this and thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.